little birds, they're all on top of our AC and they all like eating and they fighting at the same time. I have no idea what's going on here. Hey, stop fighting! What are you doing? They brought food up there and they're all fighting now. It looks funny. It's like we're watching a little movie. Yeah. That's why he brought all the food up there and they all fighting for it. Oh, they're eating a donut? Oh, that's why. I don't know how they carry that up here, but that's what they're fighting for. A donut. So they was up here all fighting for a donut. I think they'll be back to get that donut. Yeah, it's a big donut. So he came back. Now he's eating a donut. He flew away and played them. And he came back. Now he's eating the donut. He's a smart bird, you know that? I guess the other one's about to come soon. He's looking. He's like, hold on. They're about to come soon, so let me eat this before they get. Oh, he's back. Now they're all taking turns. Yep. They're all taking turns now. That's funny. He's not even scared that I'm here. Like, can he see me? Even see me? I don't think he can see me, but that was funny. I don't know if you can hear that air conditioner. I'm sorry if it's too loud, but they came back. Now they're gonna start fighting again. Oh, they're fighting. Oh no. So I'll take that little thing out. These little things. Stop fighting. What's wrong with y'all? They're actually fighting. Bird fight. Check these little things out. There you go. And we have more of a view. There you go. We have more view. This is the BFCs. It's the Bird Fighting Club. The BMA. Bird Martial Arts. Stop fighting. Stop fighting. You good? Share. I don't even know how they even brought that donut up here. And now y'all got my. Oh man! Hey! What you doing? What you doing? Share. You good? Them guys are crazy. Why y'all don't share? And on top of that, y'all better clean. Y'all better clean all that mess in there. You hear me? You better clean all that little mess up that you did up there. There's no supposed to be no crumbs inside my AC. What's wrong with y'all? Y'all mess up my AC. Y'all buy me a new one. You hear me? Look. Crazy birds. They left some piece of donuts up here, and then later on they'll come and get it. So yeah, crazy birds. Well, they back. This is like a Jerry Springer episode. They're really fighting. Hey. I should be fighting y'all for being on top of my AC. Yeah, that really was. Yeah, look at that, really flying everywhere. Crazy bird. Just to let you know. Look, they came back. You're right. They fighting. They came back. Oh man. They're still fighting over this donut. They're like, hey, get off my donut. No, you get off my donut. I brought the donut up here. No, you didn't. I'm the leader. Back up. Back up. I said back up. Touch my donut. Don't touch my donut. Don't touch my donut. Get up. Get away from my donut. Get up. Oh, they're really ganging up on that donut. Wow, that's funny. Yeah, they're really going at it, bro. Really. Look at this. It's crazy. Even the baby came out. There's a baby in there too. Yeah, the baby, they kicked the baby out. Yeah, that's funny. My cat is like, what's going on? Some birds. The baby came back. Now two babies. Oh, now the babies are eating. But they're not fighting with the baby though. They don't care about the babies. It's just the adults that's fighting. This big one right here is the greedy one. Oh, they dropped the donut. And he's still fighting for the crumbs and the big piece fell. The baby wants to get the donut downstairs. Look at the baby downstairs eating. Yo, that's